Hello, today I'm going to show you how to block an email on Outlook. So, as you can see, I'm using the desktop version of Outlook, not the Microsoft 365, but the desktop, which looks the same as you would open Outlook on your browser like Google Chrome or Opera or Edge or anything else. So, to block specific emails or just domains, you want to go to the settings and then go to the mail options, which is right here. Click on it and then select junk email. Again, click. And as you can see, blocked senders and domains and save senders and domains. Which means blocked, that you're going to have blocked these emails, so you won't get any emails from this specific email or a domain. And save senders and domains, as you can see right here, don't move email from the senders to my junk email folder. So for example, the save senders and domains means maybe from some domain you're getting emails to the spam or just to junk, and you don't want them to get to the spam or junk, so you just click add and type the email or a domain that you don't want to get it to the spam. And to block senders and domains, again the same action, you click add and, for example, type an email that you don't want to get emails from. So let's just, once you have typed it, you just click enter, and now, as you can see, the email has been added, and you click save. Now you won't get any emails from this specific email, and if you don't want the domain, just type gmail.com, for example, and you won't get any emails from this domain. And if you want to edit, just click on this pencil icon and edit the email or a domain. And if you want to, remove this domain or remove specific email from blocked list, you just click on the bin icon right here. And also, after every action, you need to click save to make this work, and just to be saved. So thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye.